Namaskar, my dear students. Your today's topic is percentage. Percentage is your today's topic. What is percentage? Percentage means percentum. It came from a Latin word, so we denote it as this sign. We denote it by this sign. So percentage means out of 100. Out of 100. Percentage means out of 100. So now if we want to convert in percentage, what we have to do? We have to convert. In percentage, what we have to do? We have to convert fraction to percentage. Fraction to percentage we have to do, or what we have to do? From percentage to fraction. These two things we have to do. It is there in our topic. So how to do this one? Now at first let's learn how to convert something from percentage to fraction. If we want to convert something from percentage to fraction, what we have to do? We have to divide this one by 100. We will divide this one by 100. This is the rule. It is the rule number 1. If we want to convert something from percentage to fraction, we have to divide by 100. And what is the rule number 2? Rule number 2 is, if we want to convert something from fraction to percentage, then what we do? We'll multiply this one by 100. Okay, and after that we give percentage sign. What we do? We have to multiply this one by 100. After that we divide. We give percentage sign. It's that rule only, nothing else is there. So now let's start from the very first point. Let's start from the very first question. What is this? Percentage to decimal. Percentage to decimal. How we do this one? Let's check your one question. 23%. Now how to convert this one 23% into Now our first question is percentage to fraction. At first we'll learn this one, how to convert something from percentage to fraction. So suppose one number is there 35%. How to convert this one from 35% to fraction, and fraction should be the lowest one. Fraction should be the lowest one. Okay, so 35%, how will do? We'll write 35%. We'll write 35 here, and what we have to do? We have to divide this one by 100. We know the rule, so we'll do this one. We'll divide 35 by 100. If we divide 35 by 100, then what will come here? We have to simplify this one. 5 3s are 35, 5 7s are 35, and 5 20s are 100. This one will be 7 by 20. This one we do it what? Percentage to fraction. Now let's do another one. 7 whole 1 by 2%. what we have to do, we have to convert this one from percentage to fraction. So the thing is that it is in mixed fraction. From mixed fraction we have to make it improper. So how to make it improper? We know this one, we have studied this one in standard 3, 4, 5. We know this one. So 2 will write as denominator, will write 2, and 7 to the 14 plus 1, what will be this one? 15. So from mixed fraction we have converted this one in improper fraction, right? Now from improper fraction, from this one, what we have to do, we have to make it in fraction. It is in percentage, we have to convert it in fraction. So we know the rule, 15 by 2, and we have to divide this one by 100. I am dividing it by 100. Now we have to simplify this one. 5 3s are 35, sorry, 5 3s are 15, 5 20s are 100. So what will be this one? 3 by 40. It's finished. Now what we have to do, we will convert something from percentage to decimal. We'll convert something from percentage to decimal. Percentage to decimal. We'll convert from percentage to decimal. So now let's check this one. 23%. 23%. I'll convert this one from 23%. So before converting something from percentage to decimal, at first we'll write it in fraction. After that we'll convert it in decimal. So 23% will be 23 divided by 100. Okay, we know the rule. It is, if it is in percentage and if we want to convert something from percentage to fraction, we have to divide this one by 100. That's it. Now 23 by 100. If we observe that zeros in the denominator, we can write it easily. How many zeros are there in the denominator? There are how many zeros are the denominator? There are 2 zeros. So we have to put point before 2 digit. Like we can suppose that point is here, so we have to put point before 2 digit. How many digits are there? 2 digits, and 2 zeros are there, so we'll put point before 2 digits. 23 is there, so before 23, if we put point here, we'll put point here, and before that point we have to write 0. If nothing is there, then we have to write 1 0. Okay, now let's check another one. 6.25%. 6.25%. We have to convert this one from percentage to decimal. So at first what we'll do, we'll convert this one from percentage to fraction. 6.25 divided by 100. Okay, now we know the rule by observing this one. How many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros. So we have to put point before 2 digit. So point is here, then before 2 digit means there is 1 digit. We have to make another digit here. What is the number here in numerator? 625. Okay, so see, point is here, so there are 2 zeros in the denominator. We have to 0 before 2 digit. Point is here, so 1 digit we can put it, we have to put it before 2 digit. There is only 1 digit, so we have to put another 0 here. I put another 0 here, and after that I will keep point here, and before that point I will write 1 0. This is. Now let's check another one, fraction to percentage. What is our next question? Fraction to percentage. Fraction to percentage. How to do fraction to percentage? Suppose one number is 23 by 100. we have to, what we have to do this one, we have to convert this one from fraction to percentage. So we know the rule. If we want to convert something from fraction to percentage, we have to do what? We have to multiply this one by 100, and after that we have to give percentage sign, isn't it? So what I am doing here, 23 by 100, what I will do, 23 by 100. After that what I will do, I will multiply this one by 100, and after that I will put one percentage sign here. Okay, so now 0 0 0 0 cancel. I can cancel this one. Then what will be this one? 23%. That's it. Now let's check another one. 18 by 25. 18 by 25. What you have to do, we know the process. It's all the same. 18 by 25. After that we have to multiply this one by 100, isn't it? And after that I will put percentage sign here. Now see, I can simplify this one. Wherever I can simplify, I will simplify. If you can do simplification, then you have to do it for sure. 5 5 is 25 and 5 20 is 100. Now I can divide this one by 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20. 18 4 is how much? We know this one. 18 4 is 72. After that percentage sign is there. I will keep percentage sign here. Okay. Now another one is from decimal to percentage. What we'll do, we'll convert something from decimal to percentage. How to convert from decimal to percentage? All the processes are same. One question is 0.8. How to convert from decimal to percentage? From decimal, what we'll do, at first we will make it is fraction. We will write it in fraction. 0.8 means 8 divided by, instead of that point we will write 1. After how many digits are there after that point? 1 digit is there, I will write 10 here. 1 digit is there, I will write 10 here. That's it. Now from fraction we know how to convert in percentage, isn't it? From fraction how to do percentage? From fraction to percentage, we will multiply this one by 100 and after that give percentage sign. So what I will do, 8 by 10 will multiply this one by 100. After that I will give percentage sign. So 0 0 got cancelled. 8 10s are 80%. That's it. Now let's check another question. .004. It is in decimal. From decimal, what you have to do? We have to convert it in percentage. So from decimal, how can we do it in percentage? If it is in decimal, at first we will make it in fraction. So what is the number here? 4. We will write 4 here. So instead of that, we will write 4 in numerator, and instead of this point we will write 1 in denominator, and after point how many digits are there? 1 2 3 digits are there. So we will write 1 1 2 3 zeros are there. So from decimal I have converted this one in fraction. So now from fraction we know how to convert this one in percentage. What we'll do, see, we have checked here from fraction to percentage means into 100 percentage. 4 by 100 into 100, and after that I'll keep percentage sign here. 0 0 0 0 got cancel. What will be this one? 4 by 10. So if we can do simplify, we can do it always. 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. So what will be the result here? 2 by 5. That's it. Hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. You can call me and you can ask me. Thank you.